How to redeem Chipotle gift card online. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Chipotle gift card online. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you can use computer or laptop for this. The process is the same. So I'm going to using Chrome on my phone. So search for Chipotle. Go to the Chipotle website. And now here you have to sign in. If you don't have an account, tap on the top left corner on the menu. Then here, if you have account, then here tap on click on sign in. If you don't have, click on create an account. So I don't have account, so let me create an account real quick. So now I have created an account and signed in. Now tap on menu in the top left corner. Then here click on or tap on my rewards. Here scroll down and click on add rewards. Enter here the Chipotle gift card code and click on add rewards. So this is how you can redeem your Chipotle gift card online. Thanks for watching.